What's good, y'all? Today we're gonna be breaking down the technical analysis for this week. You know what I'm saying? Happy New Year's to y'all. You feel me? I ain't trade. I traded for a week, but that's about it. Let's get right into it though. Damn, I don't think I did make an analysis video. Right now we marking off the supply and demand zones. You know what I'm saying? On a weekly. You feel me? That's all we doing right now. Okay. Now remember that weekly is blue. Weekly is white and daily is blue. Alright. So keep that in mind when we doing this right here. Now, when it comes on a weekly, we see a big ass buy and a pullback for the sale. Now, anything can happen. You feel me? Anything can happen, most definitely. But right now, we're looking at a pullback and we see a loss of momentum for the sale. We see a big ass sale candle, and we seen it, go for a buy. So overall, we might be in a buyer's week or a consolidation week. Just off this candlestick right here. You know what I'm saying? Setting up that 38.2%, that hard ass hammer candle. You gotta look at that. You gotta keep that in mind. The loss of momentum in the past few weeks. Did not do much to 2 weeks ago, which was the week of New Year's. And they for this New Year's, that mean New Year's week, first week of New Year's is this candle right here. So you gotta keep this in mind that the market really didn't move, but it came back to the open. So it really just it's not really, we could be in a buyer's market potentially for most of the week. So, keep that in mind when we're going down this week, you feel me? Just really want to keep that in mind. We want to narrow out all possibilities. But let's continue on with this technical analysis. Now, I understand it's kind of not as relevant, but I like to mark this off, you feel me? So I won't have to keep doing it. As you can see up here, this is not my actual chart. It's just for me to break down for y'all. If you want my real chart, you can always join my group chat, which will be down in the description. And later on in the video, I'm gonna give y'all a tip though, how to really stay consistent throughout the week. You know what I'm saying? I'm always let y'all know how to stay ahead of schedule, you feel me? I got y'all. But as you can see right now, it is in a seller's market overall. Seller's market overall, as you can see, we're in the buyer's market overall, but the seller, when it comes down to the 4-hour analysis, we see a scale down and not really that much momentum here. All right, this is a lot of momentum. Just so y'all can really understand, this is a lot of momentum. This right here is kind of like a lot of resistance. It's dropping, but it's horizontally dropping down, which means a lot of resistance. Not really much resistance here. All right, which is kind of forming the channel, as you can see here. Okay, so you really want to keep this in mind that this market is in a downtrend overall, but we already know that this is overall a pullback. All right, so you really want to keep this. You really want to keep that kind of stuff in your head when you are to have these analysis. That the bigger time frame is really what's going to keep you ahead of schedule when it comes down to these technical analysis. Man, trust me, it's going to always make sure that you are on top. All right. Now, just to continue on, let's continue on. All right, we see a loss of momentum here. Right, see a loss of momentum. See a line, it dropped. Came back to we dropped to the supply and demand zone, which was over here. As you can see, we marked that off. And it, scaled up, right? Now, it scaled up. And as you can see right now, it's losing momentum. So right now, you should be looking for a pullback. All right, you should be looking for a pullback. All right, now you should be looking for a pullback to about here. And that'd be a good trade for y'all to really get into. Overall, though, I believe that it's going to be a buyer's market or a consolidating market, which would be in between this blue line, these two blue lines here, which would be scaling the zone. Why? Because after a massive move like this, it always is, always tries to readjust. You know what I'm saying? This is a big ass move. This is a big ass drop. Two big moves after another that has to consolidate. It always happens, man. It always happens. Always happens. Look, big move, big drop, consolidation. All right. Now, I do believe that it's going to go for a buy and consolidate in this zone here. And that's what I think is going to break down to for the remainder of this week. But you want to always keep in mind that, and this is for the tip that I said I was going to give y'all at the beginning of the video, which is the trading at the end of the day is it's a probability game. You want to keep that in mind, man. Anything can happen. All right. The sooner you get around your head that trading is similar to gambling, the quicker you will be a profitable, consistently profitable every month trader. All right. I've been doing this for a while. Trust me, I know. All right. Now, this is the end of the video. If you like the video, leave a like down below. And if you want to join the group chat and want to learn with me, go ahead and, better yourself with me. You want to get a little, help, or you want to get a little questions at any time, no matter the time, whenever I do see it. And y'all want to better yourselves progressively with a team, we with y'all, man. I got y'all, man. I over here IQ invested. We go get it. All right. I'm gonna leave a link down below for y'all to join in the chat. And that's it, man. That's all I really got for y'all, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.